This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download ExpressVPN. Now, depending on what version of ExpressVPN you want and what system you're on, I'm going to show you a few different versions. So we're right here on the App Store for the iPhone, so you can find ExpressVPN. You can get it for your Mac, for your iPhone. So I'll show you what the Mac store looks like. So we're over here on the Apple Store. So all you need to do is you need to click on the App Store right here to open this, and you'll wind up on this page right here. So this is the Mac App Store, the Apple App Store, and we're literally just going to search for ExpressVPN. So super simple. Now we can click on this one right here, and we can click Get up here, and that will download ExpressVPN to your computer. So it's available for the Mac, the iPad, the iPhone and the Apple TV. So it's the same principle for all of those different platforms, and you will just install the installer from there. So you can also get it through the Microsoft Store. So I have the URL here. So that's the URL for the Microsoft Store, and this is the URL for the Apple Store. I'll include both of those links, of course, in the video description, so you can just click those and wind up here, so you don't need to search or anything like that. And you will get ExpressVPN directly from here, depending on what your system is on the Microsoft Store. So hopefully you found this video on how to download ExpressVPN useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like